Howdy, so my workbench has acquired an empty case. This is going to be the Workbench PC. I'm finally getting around to building that, as I'm still sorting this place out as I go along. So I'm not quite done yet. It'll be a Core 2 Duo running XP, because XP's good and reliable and very old. Yes, so I'm going to try something new for this one. I'm going to build the PC, but I'm going to fast forward the building of the PC, but have it on video rather than that sudden cut. We'll just see how it works. It might work, it might not, who knows. Done. Time to turn it on and make sure no smoke comes out. Hopefully it's all happy, because then I'll install Windows. Hey. So, it sounds like the CPU fan's busted a bearing. I will just ignore that. It works. It looks rather happy. Disk boot failure. Insert system disk. Oh, let's just feed it a disk and make sure it gets that far. It's that puppy of XP. Just for those who are wondering, boxed. is actually a boxed retail copy of XP, so not a copy or a knockoff or any of that. I do try where I can to stick to legitimate Windows, hence 8.1. I believe those of you who followed Aussie50, I did offer him a copy. I have two, but only one computer now. Oh, it's thinking. Success. Cool. Well, I have this to set up. At least I have some better background music on a more reliable connection in the future. And a decent workshop PC. Thanks for watching.